All right, guys, we've got a lot to talk about here quickly in this XRP video. So we've really got two major things we need to cover. Number one, the tariff trade wars that are starting to escalate between the United States and China. And our good buddy, Chairman Powell, the chairman of the Fed, has come out and made an announcement that's interesting. So right here, right now, you got XRP trading at about a $2.50 range. Down about 3.5%. It's come back from where it was earlier today. It was down about 6.5+%. And I think that has to do with the Powell news that I'm going to share with you. So, two things. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe. If you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm working hard for you guys, trying to make content for you guys every single day with two goals: help you make more money and keep you better informed. Okay, so here's what we have playing out. Let's talk about the United States tariff trade war and the impact it's had on XRP. We all know what went down on Friday. Friday, we had the major plunge. XRP did wick down to $1.25. Yes, I know a lot of you guys could not buy. You were trying to buy the dip. That's frustrating. I was on a college tour at the Auburn University, so I literally couldn't buy it even if I wanted to. So that was my situation. And then I bought it a little bit above $2 on Coinbase, and I had zero problems getting it. Okay, but regardless, we all know what happened Friday. Trump came out, said there was going to be 100% sanctions against China. Everything flew down. Over the weekend, we had a little bit of a bounce back up. It was looking, and then kind of a technical term, And then on Sunday, kind of leading into today, President Trump came out and said that he is going to ease his, he's like, hey, look, relax, everything will be all right. And then we wake up to today, and the China government has imposed some sanctions on some inbound freight coming into China. Okay, so that was their shot back at Trump, if you will. Now it's up to Trump to see what he does or doesn't do. Again, we got a tariff trade war. We're literally got Pong going back and forth. The impact on XRP is going to be significant. Guys, we're going to have the impact on crypto. We've been through tariff wars before. We were here earlier this year, January, February, so forth. Every piece of news is going to impact crypto. It's going to impact XRP. So don't stress about it. Take your buying opportunities. Remember, long-term, what Ripple is building, and buy. Again, not investing advice. Do what's right for you, all that kind of stuff. All right. Let's get to what's going on with our Chairman Powell buddy over there. He has come back and said, basically looking at the labor, the employment reports, it looks like, yes, we are probably most likely going to get some more rate cuts. So he is in essence confirming what we already basically knew. And that's why I think you're seeing XRP now only down 3.5% instead of being down 6.5+% like it was earlier today. Okay. So lots of stuff going on. That is the latest XRP news for you. Again, just kind of want to keep you guys updated on what's going on. Lots of stuff going on. Okay, two things. Links in the description below. Brand new website from my x1algo.com. It's my trading indicator. Look, Zcash, it called like 60 days ago. If you would have bought and had the software, you would now, and put $1,000 in Zcash, you would now have profit well over $7,000. That's just an example. The software literally costs over $1 a day, just barely $1 a day. Links in the description below. Go get it. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee, guys. Zero risk here, okay? I've got live training every single week. I have live people training in the private Discord community every week, live trainers, okay? Beyond that, all right, I've got something brand new I launched last week called Inner Circle. Links in the description below as well. What this is you can get access to my portfolio. You can message me. You can ask me questions. You're going to get buy and sell alerts anytime I buy or I sell a crypto, if that's something of interest to you. But also in that Inner Circle membership, which, by the way, is 90 cents a day, less than 27 bucks, okay? You can afford that to at least try it out. You also get access to the $100 weekly portfolio challenge. And in that scenario, I buy $100 worth of crypto every single week. I tell you exactly what I'm buying, why I'm buying it, why I like it, and you can follow along, okay? And if you're so inclined, right? This is us building together a portfolio together over time that's going to go up massively in value. So if that's of interest to you, you can get access to that as well in the Inner Circle. Links are right down there. Okay, lots of good stuff for you. By the way, these are the only two things that I offer. If you're talking to me, you think you're talking to me on any platform where I've direct messaged you, that is not me. Those are scammers trying to take advantage of you. I will never ask you to send me any crypto. I'll never ask you to send me your XRP or any of that. If that's what's happening to you right now, if you're talking to somebody, report them and get away from them as soon as possible, guys, okay? The only things that I offer are my trading indicator X1, algo.com, and my inner circle, which is on Patreon. That's it, guys, okay? Please, if you're talking to you think me, you're not. It's not me. I don't do any of that, okay? Please. All right, that's all I got right now. I'm gonna go grab some lunch and more news as we see it. See ya. Bye.